Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the end of Web3 Build Hackathon. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure you guys can actually see me. Hello there, and I'm going to welcome our Near team. So first off, we have Ken with Near. We have then Jared with Near, and then we have Ben with Near. And if you guys go ahead and unmute, if you want to give yourself an introduction, how'd you guys like the hackathon so far? How's it going? Have you seen the project you've seen?
Kev, it's been incredible. We could not be more excited to close out this weekend, but man, have been really impressed by all of the builders, all of the projects that have been submitted, and most importantly, just the energy and excitement. Ken, Ben, anything else you want to share?
Yeah, I mean, as you'll see in a bit, all the projects seemed really interesting. Saw really cool ways to use blockchain and yours specifically. I'm excited to share these projects with you guys.
Yeah, likewise. Really appreciated everyone's participation and like hard work over the last like 2.5 days. I know it was a sprint, but yeah, amazing work, everybody, and thanks for all contributing.
Yeah, for sure. Great. I'm glad. I'm excited to see what's coming up next as well. And you guys are going to be announcing some winners. So really exciting. And most people here probably know Ken. He's been on all weekend helping out all the hackers, and everyone's like adding you. So hopefully you guys got some help from Ken and built some awesome projects. So let's get going. So again, thank you to our hackers, mentors, and judges for all that they do and everything they have made to make this hackathon possible and bring everything together, especially our Near team. And we had actually 225 hackers check in, learn something, contribute to a project, or attend a workshop, and so on and so forth. We had over 35 projects submitted, which is amazing. With a lot of them, we had almost 70 projects of interest. Some might have not made it to finishing it, which is perfectly fine. You can always take that to your next hackathon and bring it to fruition. But with that said, let's get going. I'm going to pass over to the Near team for some prize information.
Awesome. And again, really appreciate all the effort that you all put into this hackathon and this weekend. How we've thought about designing these prizes is we really want you all to succeed, right? And we'll share our winners here in a moment. But most importantly, we have a $3,000 stipend for each team member who will be participating in the fellowship. Again, if your team is selected, we have a 3-month-long fellowship after this hackathon that we're going to be working with you even more closely in our core team here at Near. You'll also have $20,000 in Near Horizon credits. I saw a few questions in the Discord about this. What these credits are essentially are interchangeable within the Near Horizon ecosystem. So this can be leveraged for any service provider in our ecosystem that ranges from dev shops to PR firms to marketing agencies to talent agencies. Anything that you would need to grow and scale your project, we want to help you and help underwrite that cost. But also, we want to provide a stage. So we're going to have a dedicated demo day for each of the projects selected, where we're going to invite our venture capital network and the leadership team at Near to really hear more about what you're doing. And then most importantly, we want to get you guys some swag. So we'll send you a care package. And every year we host what is called NearCon. This is the biggest event in the Near ecosystem that's hosted in Lisbon, Portugal every year. And you and your team will have tickets to that to continue to become more and more involved and integrated into the Near ecosystem as well. So with that being said, I will turn it over to Ben and Ken to announce our winners.
Yeah, thanks, Jared. Okay, so as Jared just said, there's going to be 4 winners. So I'm going to announce the first 2 here. So without any further ado, there's not any order to these winners. These are just who are going to be participating in the fellowship program. So the first one is Near IP. They are a intellectual property management solution that is built on Near. And then the second one is Transpact. They allow you to seize and control funds of your contract and kind of like a contract manager and corruption control as well. Ben, I'll hand it off to you to announce the next 2.
Yeah, so the next team is MediBridge. So they built a user-friendly platform that utilizes Near's blockchain technology to securely store and share medical records. Um, yeah, and the last team that won is StoreHub, where you can launch an e-commerce store with a single click and also co-own the store with friends and gain business insights and analytics. So huge props to every team that worked on these projects, especially newcomers to Web3, especially for everyone who's just coming into Near. Thank you so much.
Yeah, congratulations to our winners. And I do want to reiterate again, there's no particular order. What Ken announced and what Ben announced, you guys all did amazing. You guys all have a chance at the fellowship program. And I don't know if Jared, you want to add anything to that?
No, just continuing to thank everyone for their submissions. As we mentioned earlier, we're super excited. And regardless if your project was selected or not, please consider us a resource. We'd love to continue to support you in building out your projects. I think we're going to keep the Discord live for some time, but you have our handles. We'd love to just keep an open line of communication.
Yes. Okay, cool. Again, thank you guys, everyone. And if you didn't win, don't be down. There's so much more Hackathon. Continue building, continue iterating, continue growing. And we're here of community of great support and want to see you be successful. Again, thank you to our judges. Thank you, Near, for joining us on sponsoring this Hackathon. And wish everyone the best of luck. Congratulations to our winners again. Anything else anyone want to add?
Keep building.
Okay, take care, everyone. Have a nice day. Get some rest. You guys worked hard all weekend. Get some rest.
Thanks, everybody.